Sometimes in our lives, when things go wrong, we all have sorrow. But if we are wise, I do what's right. We know that there's always tomorrow. I give my best. I keep caring. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be
My
your
friend from the Philippines.
Thank you.
I'll help you carry on. I am Charm. I am the Philippines.